How's it going, everyone? Adam West once again for Soulfly Sneakers, and I've been talking about the Jordan 1 Couture now for a couple of weeks. Haven't got around to getting them out, but someone has just bought them, so I've had to fish them out anyway. So I thought before I box them up, we'll just take a quick look. These are in my size; they're UK 12, doesn't really matter anymore for the purposes of the video. But yeah, I was eyeing them up as a potential replacement for my Dunk High and 7s. But yeah, alas, they have sold. However, I'm pretty sure we can still get these retail in the bigger sizes, which is cool. I think most of the smaller sizes have sold out, but you can even get these on sale in some places now, which is crazy. I don't think the person that bought these really shopped around, but but yeah, so I might actually pick up another pair on the cheap if I find one on sale, just because I do really like these. So you see we've got this totally blacked out monochrome upper here, including the Jordan logo, and then this really bold red stripe which totally engulfs the swoosh there, and it goes right around the back. And around the other side, and then we've got a sail undersole and midsole, giving them kind of a slightly retro look. I really like this monochrome up there, like how dark it is. Like it seems crazily black, if you know what I mean. I think it's because it's in contrast with the red and the sail. It looks extra dark for some reason. Take a look from the front. These aren't laced up. They weren't laced up when they arrived, so I don't mess around with them. I'm assuming we get red and black laces. They must be in the other shoe. Oh, there's black laces. Okay, so I think maybe just black. There's possibly red ones hanging around. I don't know. I'm not going to dig around for them. But yeah, this was kind of slept on. I don't know. Some people, I guess, just weren't feeling it. I don't know whether it's because you can't really see like the Jordan branding, and like I guess from a distance the swoosh might be hard to make out. Maybe people were worried that people might not know they were wearing Jordans or something. I don't know. Personally, I think they're really nice, and like I said, if I can find another pair of these on the cheap, I'll definitely be picking up a pair for myself. But this pair is off to some guy down in London. So yeah, these are going to get boxed up. I don't know if I swapped shoes halfway around, but yeah. So yeah, really nice, really clean pair. Definitely something different. They've started putting the sail, midsole and outsoles on quite a few of the newer Jordans. The new shattered backboard ones that are coming out have this sail sole, a few others. I don't know, I was unsure at first, but it does give it that kind of retro vintage look, I guess. It definitely makes this black just look extra, like bold, extra dark, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you find a pair of these, you might be able to find them on sale if you take a look around. Definitely pick up a pair, because these are one of my favourites from last year, even though they sat, Yeah, I don't know, different strokes for different folks, I guess. But yeah, so that's the Couture, Jordan 1 Defiant Couture. Been talking about that for a while, so I thought I'd get it out before I get rid of it. No idea what I'm going to pick out next. I'll have a look, see what I can find that looks interesting. So until next time, have a good one. Catch you later.